How to set up timer multi-photo shots in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then from the toolbar here, tap on the settings icon. Next, in camera settings, we scroll down. Then tap on camera assistant. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on timer multi-photo options. And here you can choose how many pictures to take while using the timer. By default, it is set to 1 picture. You can select 3 pictures or 5 pictures. And then you can set up the interval between pictures. So let's say if you choose 2 seconds, so the camera will go ahead and use the timer to take the first picture. Then it wait for 2 seconds before it take the second pictures. Then it wait for another 2 seconds before it take the third pictures, and so on and so on. Okay, let's test it out. So here, if I go back to the camera, I will go into timer. So I select the timer. So to begin with, I will select a 2-second timer, and then I tap on the shoot button. Here, it will take the first picture, and then it wait for another seconds, and then 2 seconds, and then take another pictures. Then wait for 2 more seconds. So the time interval is 2 seconds, and every 2 seconds it will capture another picture. And there it is. And that is how you can set the timer multi-shot. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.